Look at Unit 1, Lesson 6, which is basically adding numbers together. Your learning target is that you can correctly add digits up to 4-digit numbers. And then a key concept to remember is that when you're adding, you have to make a new group when the sum of the digits in one place is greater than or equal to 10. So if you end up having 10 digits in a place value, a place column, then you need to regroup. So let's just take a look at some of the methods that are described in the book. You have the groups above method, which you're probably familiar with. You start in the ones column, and 8 plus 6, 8 ones plus 6 ones is 14. You can't have 14, so you regroup by leaving the 4 ones here and moving the 10 to the tens column. So 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 5 is 13 tens. Can't have 13 tens in a column, so you leave 3 tens behind and regroup and make it 100. 10 tens is the same as 100. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So your final answer is 434. The groups below method is the same, except that instead of putting, regrouping up here, you put it down below. Subtotals, left to right, I think really in many ways gets at the heart of what's going on in addition. So let's talk about it. We're going to start over here at the left, which is actually the hundreds column, and we're going to use mental math. So this 2 represents 200 plus 100 is 300. So you write that down underneath there. Then you go to the tens column. 70, or 7 tens plus 5 tens, 50. 70 plus 50 is 120. You write that down. And then you go to the ones column. 8 plus 6 is 14. You're careful to keep everything lined up. Then you add it all up, and you get 434. Subtotal right to left, you're doing the same idea of subtotaling, it's just you're going the other way. So 14, 120, 300. Same answer, or sum. All right, so why don't we try one of these? I'm going to do the subtotal method from right to left. 5 ones plus 2 ones is 7 ones. 4 tens plus 9 tens is 130. I'm going to write it like this just to help me keep it kind of lined up there. 300 plus 300 is 600. And 6,000 plus 5,000 is 11,000. So come out here. Don't forget your comma. And now I'm going to add all these up. 7, 3, 7, and then I bring the other 2 digits down. So 6,345 plus 5,392 is 11,737. And I demonstrated that using the subtotals from right to left model. All right, let's wrap this up. Explain how you know when to make new groups in addition. I want you to think about that for a minute. How do you know when you need to make a new group? What did we talk about earlier in the lesson? Well, we said that you need to make a new group when the sum of the digits in one place is greater than or equal to 10.